Imagine buying a machine for a few $100s, placing it on a desk in your room, and using it to manufacture products people buy every day. From phone holders and custom tools to car parts and home gadgets, thousands of entrepreneurs are now building profitable businesses using just 3D printers. Some small sellers are making $2,000 to $10,000 per month selling simple printed products online. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful 3D printers that can help you start a small manufacturing business right from home. The Dowell DM1220-12 Pro is a massive industrial-grade 3D printer designed for large-scale production and prototype manufacturing. It features an impressive build volume of around 1,200 by 2,000 by 1,200 millimeters, allowing businesses to print large sculptures, automotive parts, and industrial prototypes in a single run. The printer can reach speeds up to 500 millimeters per second and supports materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and carbon fiber filaments. Machines like this are commonly used by engineering firms and product development companies that need fast prototyping. The current market price for this industrial machine is typically around $7,000 to $9,000, depending on configuration. This makes it a great option for entrepreneurs entering high-value engineering and industrial prototyping markets. But here's the interesting part. One of the printers later in this video costs less than $200. Yet many beginners are using it to sell products on Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify stores. So make sure you watch until the end, because that machine might be the easiest and cheapest way to start a 3D printing business today. The Bambu Lab P1S is one of the fastest desktop 3D printers available for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It features an enclosed design that helps maintain stable temperatures while printing stronger materials like ABS and PETG. The printer uses a Core XY motion system that allows extremely fast and precise printing, making it perfect for producing products such as custom gadgets, mechanical parts, and online store items. Many Etsy sellers and small manufacturing startups use printers like this to produce items in small batches from home workshops. The typical current price for the Bambu Lab P1S ranges from about $420 to $750, depending on the bundle and accessories included. Its speed and reliability make it a favorite choice for serious hobbyists and small manufacturing businesses. The 3D Shaping Industrial Metal 3D Printer is designed for companies that want to manufacture metal parts using additive manufacturing technology. Unlike standard plastic printers, this machine uses metal powders and laser technology to create strong and precise metal components. It can produce complex industrial parts used in aerospace, automotive, medical equipment, and engineering prototypes. Businesses that invest in metal 3D printing can offer high-value manufacturing services to other industries. Because of its advanced technology, the cost of this machine is significantly higher than typical desktop printers. The typical price range can start around $50,000 and go above $300,000 depending on the configuration. However, businesses offering metal 3D printing services can charge premium prices for custom metal components. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is a compact, high-speed 3D printer designed for home workshops and small business production. It features a Core XY structure that allows printing speeds up to around 600 millimeters per second, making it significantly faster than many traditional desktop printers. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it is ideal for creating prototypes, custom accessories, and small consumer products. Many online sellers use printers like this to produce items for Etsy stores, gadget shops, or personalized gift businesses. The current market price for the FlashForge Adventurer 5M is typically around $250 to $520, depending on the version and bundle. Its high speed and simple setup make it ideal for fast product production at home. Now, before we move to the next printer, here's something most beginners don't realize. The real money in 3D printing is not just printing random items, but focusing on high-demand niche products like automotive clips, gaming accessories, drone parts, and custom tools. Many small sellers build entire online stores around just one successful product design. The RobotAnno Multifunction 3D printer combines 3D printing with laser engraving and CNC capabilities in a single compact machine. This makes it extremely versatile for small businesses that want to produce multiple types of products using one device. Entrepreneurs can use it to create 3D printed models, engraved wooden gifts, customized phone cases, and small prototype parts. Machines like this are especially popular among makers, hobby businesses, and custom gift shops. Because it offers multiple manufacturing functions, it can reduce the need to purchase several separate machines. The typical price for this type of multifunction machine usually ranges between $800 and $1,500, depending on features. This flexibility allows small entrepreneurs to experiment with many product ideas using a single machine. For example, a simple 3D printed phone stand can cost around 50 cents in plastic to produce. But online stores often sell similar products for $8 to $15 each. If someone sells just 20 pieces a day, that can generate $160 to $300 daily revenue from a single small product. And that's why many entrepreneurs are now using 3D printers to build small manufacturing businesses from home. The PioNext dental 3D printer is designed for extremely high precision printing used in dental labs and medical modeling. It uses advanced resin printing technology that allows businesses to produce highly detailed dental molds, aligners, crowns, and medical prototypes. Machines like this are commonly used by dental clinics, orthodontic labs, and medical startups that need accurate 3D models for patient treatment planning. The printer offers micron-level precision, fast curing speeds, and specialized dental resins that produce smooth and highly accurate parts. Because of its professional applications, the investment is higher than standard filament printers. The typical price for this type of dental resin printer ranges between $4,000 and $8,000, depending on configuration. This type of printer can help entrepreneurs build a profitable niche business, serving dental clinics and laboratories. The SCIEDU desktop 3D printer is designed for small workshops, educational labs, and entrepreneurs who want a reliable printer for everyday production. It features a compact structure with a stable frame that helps maintain consistent printing accuracy during long print jobs. Many small businesses use printers like this to produce prototypes, plastic parts, teaching models, and customized consumer products. The printer supports common filaments such as PLA and ABS, and includes a simple control interface that beginners can easily understand. Because it balances affordability with functionality, it is often chosen by startups entering the 3D printing market. The typical price range for this machine is around $300 to $700, depending on the configuration. Many home-based entrepreneurs start with printers like this to launch their first 3D printing service. The YIDIMU industrial 3D printer is designed for businesses that need large build volumes and industrial-level reliability. This machine can produce bigger prototypes, furniture components, automotive parts, and engineering models in a single print job. It supports advanced materials including reinforced filaments and engineering plastics, which are useful for mechanical prototypes and functional parts. Many product development companies and manufacturing startups use large format printers like this to produce parts faster than traditional manufacturing methods. Because of its industrial capabilities and large build volume, the price typically ranges between $6,000 and $15,000, depending on the model and build size. Large format printers like this are often used by businesses offering rapid prototyping services to other companies. Another profitable opportunity is customized products. People are willing to pay extra for personalized items like nameplates, gaming accessories, camera mounts, or replacement parts that are difficult to find in stores. That's why many small creators are turning their 3D printers into on-demand product factories. This mini high-speed desktop 3D printer is designed for beginners and small home businesses that want a simple and affordable entry point into 3D printing. Despite its compact size, it can still produce detailed plastic parts, prototypes, and small consumer products. Many entrepreneurs start with machines like this to test product ideas before investing in larger equipment. These printers are commonly used to produce items such as custom toys, small gadgets, replacement parts, and decorative objects for online stores. Because it is an entry-level printer, the typical price usually falls between $120 and $350, depending on the model and features. For beginners, machines like this provide an easy way to learn 3D printing while generating small income streams. The Creality Ender 3B3 SE is one of the most popular entry-level 3D printers used by entrepreneurs around the world. It features automatic bed leveling, a stable printing structure, and speeds of around 250 millimeters per second. These features make it perfect for beginners starting a small, home-based 3D printing business. Many Etsy sellers and online stores use printers like this to produce phone holders, desk accessories, replacement parts, and custom gifts. The printer is also easy to assemble and maintain, which makes it a great learning machine for new users. The current market price usually ranges between $170 and $220, depending on the seller. Because of its reliability and large user community, this printer is often recommended as the best starting machine for beginners. So those were 10 powerful 3D printers that can help you start a profitable small manufacturing business from home. If you're thinking about starting a 3D printing business, the most important step is simply getting started with the right machine. Let me know in the comments, which of these 3D printers would you choose for your business? And if you want to discover more machines that can help you build profitable businesses, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video on your screen.